In the last couple of months, we got to see plenty of sleek gaming handhelds to cater to the growing demand of the audience. Take the GPD Win Max 2 for example. It takes a different approach compared to the other handhelds, as it appears more like a handheld gaming laptop with plenty of power inside. But how powerful is it compared to Valve's Steam Deck? In this video, we compare them head-on to help you decide better.
Now, let's talk about today's sponsor, 10 Studio. In order to promote any product or brand, video content is undoubtedly the most effective tool. A tool that obviously requires a creative team. 10 Studio expert team covers script writing, voiceover, to everything you need for video production. Be it explainer video, 2D animation, live action explainer videos, product demonstration, or motion graphics. For any kind of video production, please visit www.10.studio.
As mentioned earlier, GPD Win Max 2 is a handheld laptop that offers the best of both a handheld and a laptop. The form factor is easier to carry, while the QWERTY keyboard will let you perform various sets of tasks other than gaming. As for gaming, it includes Hall sensor joysticks, D-pad, and triggers that are comfortable to game with. It also has plenty of connectivity options, including a headphone jack, one HDMI, two USB-A, and two USB-C ports on the back, so users can easily pair it up with an external display or GPU. Steam Deck, on the other hand, is quite big and bulky compared to most handhelds that currently exist on the market. It is loaded with buttons that include two precision trackpads that make navigation and aiming a bit easier. Another cool thing about the Steam Deck is its 4 grippable buttons at the back that can be customized for seamlessly performing in-game actions. For connectivity, the Steam Deck has a 3.5mm audio jack and a micro SD slot, and that's pretty much it. While the Win Max 2 has more connectivity options and a multi-purpose form factor, the Steam Deck has plenty of gaming-oriented features that are ideal for handheld gaming. Display-wise, the 10.1-inch GPD Win Max 2 has a very thin bezel with about a 90% screen-to-body ratio. The touch IPS panel on this thing has 60 Hz of refresh rate with a native resolution of 2560 by 1600p. As for the Steam Deck, it has a 7-inch diagonal screen with a native resolution of 1280 by 800p and 60 Hz of refresh rate. The screen is also touch-enabled and has a typical 400 nits brightness. A bigger screen with enhanced pixel counts does sound sweet on the GPD Win Max 2. However, the screen on the Steam Deck will also get the job done while draining less of the battery. Under the hood, Steam Deck is packing an AMD Zen 2 APU with 4 cores and 8 threads. As for the GPU, it has 8 RDNA 2CUs. The entire APU operates at a minimum of 4 watts and a maximum of 15 watts. This is coupled with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, making it quite a capable machine. Win 2 Max, however, has 2 CPU options. You can either get it with the 12th Gen i7 1260p or a Ryzen 7 6800U chip. Other than that, it has a 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory and 1 terabyte of internal storage. So comparatively, Win Max 2 has powerful CPU options, while the Steam Deck packs a capable GPU for gaming. You also get more storage in the Steam Deck, while the memory stays the same for both. While the GPD Win Max 2 is quite ahead in certain criteria, it will set you back $1,000 for the base model. On the contrary, Steam Deck starts at about just $400 and has plenty of value to offer for the price you will be paying. So which one of these consoles will you choose? Let us know in the comments down below. So that was all about the GPD Win Max 2 versus Steam Deck debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.